Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to analyze videos and pictures using AI. So first of all, open up your browser, then from there go straight to ChatGPT. Now once you're at ChatGPT, click on this Explore GPT's window right here on the left side and type in the search bar Scene Explain. You will get this GPT right here, just click on it, the Scene Explain Master, and after that click on Start Chat. Now in here you will have to just simply upload your pictures and it will analyze for you. Just click on this button right here, click on upload from computer and upload a picture that you want. For example, I'm going for this one right here in which a girl is sitting in a room with her headphones on. Just click on open. So here the picture has been uploaded and just simply type in explain the picture. After that hit enter. So here is its reply. The image depicts a serene indoor scene where a young woman is seated on the floor of a cozy room reading a book. She is dressed in comfortable, casual clothing, a bright orange hoodie, and light blue jeans, complemented by large blue headphones. The room is warmly lit by a table lamp on a small beside table, casting a soft, inviting glow. And there's another paragraph about the window in the background right here. It provided pretty accurate information as well. She is seated on the floor, as you can see in the picture. A bright orange hoodie, she is wearing that, and light blue jeans as well, and large blue headphones right here. So the information is pretty accurate. Now, let's say you don't have the picture on your computer, but you have it on the web, and you want it to be explained by this GPT, you can do that as well. For example, let me just open up a new tab. Now I'm gonna find a picture that is on the web and I want it to be explained by ChatGPT. So here I have gotten a picture that I want to be explained and it's not on my computer. So I'm just gonna click on it. It will take you to the website. After that, just right click on it and click on copy image address right here. Now after that, go back to ChatGPT, paste in this code, and after that type in explain this image. After that, hit enter. So here is the description provided by Scene Explain. The image is a flat illustration of a group of people in a cafe eating and talking. The scene includes a mix of men and women, all engaged in conversation and enjoying their time together. One person is holding a cup of coffee while another is eating. There is also a dog present, adding a warm and friendly touch to the atmosphere. The background features typical cafe elements like tables, chairs, and some decorative plants, creating a cozy and inviting environment. So this is the description provided by Scene Explain of this picture right here, which is pretty accurate. So that's from the chat, and that's how you can use AI to explain your pictures and photos. If you guys liked it, thanks for watching. Bye.